Right now it's 12:47 at night. I should be asleep right now. But I was playing some Borderlands, and look what I got to drop off of Willhelm, apparently. Yup. Confirmed Willhelm drops Rolling Thunder. There you go, guys. Willhelm drops a Rolling Thunder. So explain to me this, Gearbox. Where does he get the Rolling Thunder? It must be in the pre-sequel, huh? If I don't see the Rolling Thunder in the pre-sequel, because apparently Willhelm has it, then Gearbox, fuck you. It's really late. There. 12:48. Well, not to what you think. Okay. Rolling Thunder.